Hey, welcome to another video. This video is going to be on your hands and hand pain, swelling, numbness, tingling, any problems you might be getting in your hands. I'm going to show you some exercises to cause a drainage in that fluid if you're having a built up pumping hand. I'm going to take out some pain in the hand. We're going to create more mobility and just better quality hands. Yeah, you can do this. Like I said, quick disclaimer, this is not medical advice. Check the description below. And yeah, like this video, subscribe, and enjoy these exercises. They're going to make a world of difference to you, and your hands are important. Thanks for watching.
Sit in a comfortable position and we'll warm up the hands by opening and closing them, keeping the hands above the elbow, and we will then rotate the hands inwards, and as you rotate them, open your hands, close your hands. Open your hands, close your hands, and then we're going to go the other way. So it's almost like you're flicking your fingers outwards. Again, always keep the hands above the elbows if possible. Sit in good posture for all movements. Now we're going to work on the wrist and opening up the tension and creating a better flow through the wrist. So as you can see here, you're going to squeeze and pull towards and then hold. Do this about 8 times, then hold, then repeat. And then do this on the other hand, as you can see, using the thumb and a couple of fingers just to pull on the side of the wrist and pull forwards. This opens up the nerve supply and the blood through the center of the hand and down the forearm. For this next move, put your little finger and your thumb together. Use your thumb in the other hand to massage downwards as you tilt your wrist forwards. Copy this motion and massage in a pumping fashion, pulling downwards with each motion. You'll find this opens up the wrist, allows nerve supply, blood supply and lymph to drain through the hand. And this takes a lot of the pumping, swelling and pressure out the hand. You should feel this if you're having them symptoms and have a much more flowing feeling through the hand. So repeat this on each side 10 to 12 times and then repeat again on the other hand. Now we're going to release tension between the thumb and the index finger, very tight muscle. This may be quite sensitive, it may be more sensitive one side to the other. Use the thumb and index finger on the other hand and you're going to just press in circular motions and massage as you move your fingers. And just do this for 20 seconds per side and then repeat. Always try to keep your hand above the elbow. If you're finding your hand to be getting too numb or too tired, take a break, put your hand down and then start again with it above the elbow. And again with this motion, you can use your fingers as you can see here, just massage the whole muscle just slightly inwards where the thumb joins into the fingers. Now we're going to work on the outside muscle of the hand. Follow down from your little finger to the edge and you're just going to apply some pressure up and down on this area. Open and close the wrist and just massage this again for 20 to 30 seconds per side, keeping the wrists in a subtle movement as you massage up and down. Do this on both sides and again notice if you feel one side more than the other. This can indicate either compressed nerve supply to the hand that feels more sensitive, or it may be that you've used that hand more than the other. Now we're going to stretch the wrist and the forearm muscles. As you see here, we're going to use the thumb and the finger to reach around and you're going to push out. I'm going to twist here so you can see a little bit of the angle, and you're going to push with your hand that's on the inside. You're pushing and straightening the elbow outwards into the other hand, and you should feel quite an intense stretch down the forearm. So reaching round and pushing. This is opening up the wrist. Then swap and do the other side. Again, bending the wrist inwards, using the other hand to push in and hold it in place. Hold this for 10 to 20 seconds per side. And now we're going to use the inside of the forearm and we're going to stretch the other side. So putting your hand around in this manner and again pushing out and extending the hand that is on the inside. But this time the fingers go up the forearm of the other arm. Swap and do the other side. Again, if you need to at any point, take notes, repeat this footage. I always recommend watching it through once to see what you're in for, and then go back through and follow through and follow. It's a good idea to pause this and practice this stretch to make sure you're feeling it down the outside of the forearm and for the other motion on the inside. Now rotate your hands the same as the beginning. Rotate inwards and flick your fingers as fast as you can, open and close. Now we're going to rotate the shoulders, keeping your hands open and your hands above your elbows. Again, the nerve supply to the hands, it comes through the shoulders. Rotate your wrists, open and close your hands. With your arms out to the side and your hands above your elbows, we're going to move the neck safely, gently side to side, forwards and back, not extending too far or causing any pain. But the nerves to the hands also come from the central nervous system, from the cervical spine in the neck. So making sure the neck is free and open will help increase a flow of nerve activity down to the hands. Lastly, open and close your hands for 10 to 20 seconds as quick as you can, and that will be the end. If you are finding that you can't open your hands fully and you're struggling to get full extension of the fingers and your hand is in this sort of shape and that is as much as you can open them, you might find that the tendons in the hands are too tight. You can push your hands open and see if it springs back. Now I'm going to show you a few places that you can massage along your fingers and in the hand to release this tension. Where you find the joint at the top of the finger, to the sides, use your other finger to massage and then just pinch and pull off, pinch and pull off, down to the bottom, and on the very bottom of the finger just massage in with your thumb in that point there. Do this to every single finger. Again, the finger is made of many bones and each bone is connected by tendons and muscles. These can get very tight and we can release these with pressure. So feel and rub and find where you find a sensitive area and just massage that point for a little longer. Don't push too hard, don't cause yourself bruising. This is not meant to be excessive pressure. Now find the center line of your hand and just above there push in with the other hand, all your fingers. Close your hand slightly and just rub left to right and just push in. Do this for 20 to 30 seconds, a few circular motions, and then follow up by using your thumb to go along the bottom of each finger, massaging up and down each one. Stretch your fingers back with the other hand, gentle, don't cause pain, but each time try and stretch a little further. Open and close your hand and see if you notice any difference in the amount of stretch in your hand. This may take several times to work. Now also don't forget the thumb. Do the exact same motions on the thumb and into the muscle on the bottom of the hand. If you can perform this every day for a week, if you have very tight, sore hands, you will see a big advantage and a big benefit by the end of the week. Or you can perform this every other day, before bed, or before any DIY or any work using your hands. It is very helpful to massage them at that point. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, hit the subscribe button, it keeps me motivated, and check out my channel for other content. Have a great day, wherever you are, whoever you are. Thank you for watching.